In this video, I will show you how you can make your Wi-Fi connection faster on your iPhone. So sometimes what you will notice when you are using Wi-Fi by playing games or browsing internet websites, what you'll notice is that your Wi-Fi will slow down. So there's one setting that we can change inside our iPhone for this to not happen. So what we can do is head over to settings. Once we head over to settings, you want to find and locate the Wi-Fi option, and then you want to click on Wi-Fi. So once we click on Wi-Fi, you will then be brought over to this page. What that will do is it will bring you over to here. And then at the side of your network, at the top, you want to click on the icon for the information of your specific Wi-Fi. Now, once you do this, what you will then be able to do, you want to go down and then you want to locate the option for low data mode. Now, what you want to do is you want to toggle this off. And then once you toggle this off, this will allow you to use your full capacity of your Wi-Fi connection from your router. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can make your Wi-Fi faster on your iPhone.